Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make my nails through DIY, and I'm gonna show you what I'm using, and I'll share it with you how I make my nails. So guys, we needed a lamp for the nails to dry, and we're gonna need our tools to clean up our nails, and we're gonna need this set of acrylic to make our French tip, and these tools to cut for your long nails, and the buffer, and the the board grinder. So yeah, let's get it started. There you go. So this is one of the main important thing, and I'm gonna need this Nutella to put the liquid, the acrylic liquid over here. Okay, so let's start it. Before I forgot, we need an acetone and cotton to clean up our nails before we get started for all these tools here. Okay, so let's start to clean my nails, and then I need to cut them off using So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut again with my nail cutter, and I'm gonna decide how long. So I'll do for now maybe like this, okay, and then we'll decide more later. So how long I want. For now, I just make it slowly because I can decide how long I want to be. Okay, so ganyan muna siya for now. And then, isi-shape muna natin siya. And then, masyado pa rin siyang mahaba. So, I want smaller than this one. So, ganyan. Paano ba to? Ganyan yata to, diba? So, I guess ganito. So, bawasan pa natin ng konti. Hindi ko natatansyahin kung gaano siya kahaba talaga or ano. Basta, ifa-file ko na lang siya. Yung final shape and haba is mamaya na lang pagka magfa-file na ako. Kasi for now, ang hirap eh. Ang hirap tansyahin. Yan. Uh-oh. Somebody's phoning. Okay. So, for now, hanggang ganito na lang muna yung gagawin natin. Okay. Alright. Let me just... Hello. I'm good. Yeah, me too, Mom. We'll try to find honey. We can't find nowhere. So... I forgot to show you guys yesterday night when my nails is done. So it ends up like this. It's not perfect, but I saved $50 for doing that, you know. So for now, we're having coffee. Oh, sorry. Natakpan kayo. For now, I'm having my coffee. And naka-self-quarantine pa rin tayo ng konti. Ng ilang araw pala, sorry. And yeah, and nood-nood lang ng videos from my tablet. So yeah, this is how it looks like, the one I did yesterday. It's not really professionally done, but as per my husband, he was telling me that it's very nice and I saved $50. So yan lang guys. O diba? It looks nice. Diba? So try nyo din guys. So you have to get yung machine from Kiss, yung pang buffer nila, and then you need to buy a set of French tip na set, and then yun yung gagawin yung tips on your nails. Tapos yung powder kasama na siya doon, so to make it stronger your tips. So yun lang, and you need to apply the powder on your original nails. You see it? So yeah, that's how it looks like. I like it. See you next time.